Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania. I thought it was a bee. Hold up. My name is Tania, and in this video I will be sharing a Daiso haul. I just dropped one of my rings. Anyways, I do have everything in this little box right here, and I will be showing you a super cute haul that is kind of small, but I felt like I needed to share with you guys just in case you guys haven't been into a Daiso before or aren't aware of what they carry or what they currently carry. So I did go to Daiso because it just opened, and I was so happy to go in there because they had a lot of cute stuff. So first thing I'm going to show you guys is something that I'm looking forward to. I'll probably be doing a video about this next week, but I will be doing my own acrylic nails, and I wanted some like cute color or gems or something to put on my nails, and I found these. So these are jewelry stickers, and look at how pretty these are. They're just like pearls and little diamonds, and they're gold, so this is perfect. I love these things, so I'm going to probably apply it on one of my accent nails. I really like how my nails are looking right now. I just have this cream gel color, so I have been doing gel for my nails, but I really want to try the acrylic, so I'm going to attempt to do them and put these on there. I think I'm going to go back and get some more because these are only $1.50, and I think that's a super good deal. So next thing is some Hello Kitty stuff that I found at Daiso, and oh my gosh, they had a huge section of Hello Kitty. They had Rilakkuma and Kurilakkuma, which I love, but I was like, it's okay, like relax. So I didn't go all crazy. I did get these two things from Hello Kitty. I just love Hello Kitty, so this one I got for my retainers. I don't know why, but I felt like, bro. So we have this like purple tree that gives off like this little flower right here, and it's everywhere. So it's a Hello Kitty soap dish, so you could obviously put your soap in here, but I'm going to use it for my retainers. So I do wear retainers at night, and in the daytime I want to place them somewhere and I don't know where to put them, so I felt like this one was, whoa, this little bird. It's a big bird actually. Shh. Okay, so I felt like this one was super cute and will be good for my retainers, so that's why I got it. And it just has like Hello Kitty's face right here, and it's super pink, and it opens and closes like this, so you could definitely use it as a soap dish, but I'm just gonna put my retainers on here, and I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, these little flowers are just falling everywhere now. Okay, so I got this earphone case, and it's so cute. It's Hello Kitty's face like that, and then you can see the little picture right there. It says for earphones. Oh my gosh, is there oh no, that was my hair. I thought there was a spider or something. And then here is how the instructions say how you can use it. I thought this was so cute. Now I do take earphones to work all the time, or like just like around me in my bag and stuff like that, so I felt like these were so cute. It's just like a little case, and she has a pink, oh my goodness, this bird is so happy. It literally wasn't out here like 5 minutes ago, and then I started talking and now it's out here. So it's literally just a Hello Kitty space with like a pink bow, and it looks like this in the back, and then I'm just gonna open it for you guys, and inside is room for your earphones, and then there's this little super cute bow, and that's kind of like what sold me. So the bow is what holds your cord, so you could just wrap it around here and then like clip it on the sides, and then place the little bow in here, and then just like carry your case. So I thought that was adorable. So I've been really loving this. I have been taking it to work, and a lot of people really want one because it's just so cute. I also got these notepads, and it has a little to-do list, and it's super cute. It's pink with little bullet points, and I love to-do lists, so this is perfect for me, just to put in like my planner. And I will be getting a new planner because it is ending this month, so I'm so excited to use these to-do lists and just take it on the go. It's so small and compact, so I really like this. And then I also got my favorite pens. So these are like my go-to pens that I also carry in my bag for work and stuff like that. So these are just like these blue and pink ones, and it has like a little bear on it. It's the trio one, so it has black, red, and blue, and it looks like this. This is just like really good pen. It's like the fine tip, so it's not like the ballpoint, which I prefer this one better because I feel like it just makes the writing a lot neater and a lot cleaner. So it's called Hello Bear, but I just think it's super cute, super adorable. And then I got this one, which I just randomly saw, this cable protector, and this is like a ice cream, so it looks like this, and it's for your cable, and it's supposed to make it so cute and protected at the same time. So I got that. And then these two food items I also got were the high chews. So I have never tried the mango high chews. I've tried the acai ones, and I absolutely love them. Also got this super cute gummy food, and if you haven't watched it, I do have a video trying this out, making it and taste testing it. So I love this. I also got a new eyelash case, so this is how it looks like. And then I got something super fun because, you know, we're trying to find other activities to do while we're just home. So I got this what is it called, scratch art sheet, and it looks like this. So it's pretty much like this black paper, and you scratch out this like design that you have, or like colorful like patterns and stuff like that. So this is the one that I'm currently working on, and it's so cute and so pretty. I love it. This is actually 4 sheets, so you will literally have a good time because it literally takes me forever to do this because I've already worked on it for like an hour and a half, and this is just like partial finished. I haven't fully finished just because there's a lot of details, but it's so much fun and so like such a good activity to do. So that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.